welcome back to another video. What I'm going to do today is we will play the booster box game challenge. So what that entails is I will open packs out of the unopened booster box, which I'll just grab now. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Get rid of some Pokemon cards. I'll open this, and what we'll do is we'll open the first pack, see what we come up with, because I've got the TCG card scanner over here, which will be live on the screen as long as I remember to tap screen record, which I have, so that's good. Right, just also like to show you what I did with that box that I opened before, sort of converted it. So now it's going to be holding all my art cards. So now I've just got to, when you open it up, I've just got to put some artwork up here. Got a couple of little doors here. When you open it up, there's Velgroth in the back of them. So this box is going to hold counters and art cards and stuff like that. So it ended up being pretty cool, pretty unique. So a bit of a one-off. I just got to put some tape on certain edges to hold them together. And yeah, there you go. Right, let's crack into it. So we'll cut this open along this edge. Am I in? I'm in. Indeed, I am in. Let's do it. Da, da, da. The booster box is open. There we go. Booster box open. So let's take this bit out. Pop this bit out. Pop that in and pop that into there. Like so. Get rid of this giant card here. Alright, let's grab the first pack. Oh, these seem very easy to open for some reason. Oh. Alright, and the first card we have is Vicious Clown. And Living Phone. And then Hand That Feeds. Glimmer Burst. Then we have Fear of the Dark. And the next card is Manifest Dread. And then we have Unable to Scream. So coming to the end of the first pack now. Bailmerk Leech. So nothing spectacular so far. Then Shard Mage's Rescue. And then we have Fear of Isolation. Infernal Phantom. And next we have Marvin, Murderous Mimic.
Come on, we can do this. You're a big truck. Don't knock everything else out. Why can't you just...
And Lakeside Shack.
Exactly what I wanted. Thank you. The game heard and it answered, and I respect the game.
And Trial of Agony Foil. Okay. I won't include the art cards because they will make the pack totals a bit different. So the first pack total is $2.57. So we'll just clear. We'll just clear that list. Somehow? I know there was a way to do it. How?
What? I was like, what the hell is that? I got confused the crap. I thought that was him talking to me. Where's my chalice? Does anyone remember where the chalice went? Did I sell said chalice? Maybe. I don't really remember what happened to the chalice. I don't have 2K in my account or whatever it was. It wasn't only $100. It was only $100. We probably sold it. Did I just sell it right there? I sold it.
Alright, let's crack into the next one. So we need to beat that target. And then we'll open another one. If not, we won't. Another art card, so I know I'm doing it right. Alright, let's crack into the second pack. We have Ragged Playmate.
Absolutely awesome. I don't want to go with this vortex right now. It's a far drive.
And Friendly Teddy. Living Phone. Stalked Researcher. Then we have a room card, Derelict Attic and Widow's Walk. And then Fanatic Strength, or Frantic Strength, sorry. And then Appendage Amalgam. And then Drag to the Roots. And then we have Ethereal Armor. Another uncommon. And the next one, Fear of Being Hunted. And then we have Wickerfolk Thresher.
I am not getting my wheels off the ground. I kid you not.
Doomsday Excruciator.
Only me. Where's our how's this stuff? Good. Ninja, they're gonna give me something, man. Appreciate that.
Etched Cornfield Non-Hollow. Oh, last card, and so far we're sitting at $1.23. It's not looking good. And we have the Hollow Sword Blade Executioner. But with $1.32 total, game number one is over. Sorry for being so short and sweet, but that's just how it is. So until the next video, we will catch you later. Next video we might open, I don't know, I'll decide, and then we'll have a look and see what I've got laying around. Anyway, until next video, take care guys, bye bye.